the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Oh gosh. That's right.
Gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning.
What do they say?
With the rising sun.
Robert Lee Somali. What do I do?
Singing sweet songs.
What my sing say?
A melody's pure and true.
Oh, go.
Saying
The big camera, thank you. More camera when we got the room one of the great stuff. And now everybody have friends. Guess what? School youth. Guess what? Retribution nowadays, they're right around the corner. You remember that? Come through. Easy Mikey on, they big themselves 70 years. I heard something to know. Let's sing. Listen, listen, listen. Not jumping that different, yeah?
Don't shoot your black bra. Look how long King Waikiki ruling. I said, look how long you've been shooting at the plane. Yeah, the father, love a man who do good. Yeah, the father, left up the love and you.
One person play, take up the round. It's the killer. Nicky.
Yeah, Lord of mercy.
Queens,
I'm a special dedication to all farmer. When I live a sentence or in a Nova. Cause this is Mr. Cat, the beer bomb rider. The style when you look at them, I go run Jamaica. And in a London, I'm in America. And in a Canada, I'm in a China. It name the Vinny style, it's wicked and wild. The Vinny style, it's wicked and wild. They want purpose and with animal party. And they want purpose with the human party. And they want culture played with ocean party. Me say here come Mr. Cat in the yard party. Them keeping a dance in a stomping yard. That's how we did a play was fruit. Every passage on me with passion. I want you to play me some passion. I want you to get married. Agenda, it's working to your agenda. Don't wanna pull a blender. Whatever you get to confuse. But what you take the song we have to choose. I got to find someone you got to get them go. Don't take it as a lesson, brother. Come on, don't take it as a lesson, brother. Come on, Jesus and them said we are going to go.
Ladies and gentlemen, yeah? One year anniversary, so you're not shit.
Do you know what it means to tell the truth? Cause he's the number one. He's the champion. Cause he plays like a number in the morning.
By popular request. Next time we're gonna have money full of here. Just kidding.
Do you know what it means to test the body?
Make them
broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dance zone. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.